The most common reason for a Suzuki Swift key fob not working is a dead battery. The Swift key fob typically uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll need a small screwdriver or a key fob opener tool. Step 1. Gently pry open the fob case, usually along a seam or near the key ring attachment. Step 2. Note the battery's polarity, positive and negative. Step 3. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032, making sure the polarity matches the markings in the fob. Using high-quality batteries like Duracell or Panasonic is recommended to prevent leaks. Step 4. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your car to ensure it unlocks or locks the doors. This DIY fix is quick and can save you money compared to professional replacement. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for corrosion inside the fob, especially if it's been exposed to moisture. Clean any corrosion with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, ensuring it's completely dry before reassembling. Double-check that the battery is installed with the correct polarity. Installing it upside down can damage the circuit. Avoid using excessive force when opening the fob to prevent breaking the plastic clips. If your Swift has a valet key, handle it carefully during the process. If issues persist after these steps, a software glitch or a faulty circuit be the cause, requiring professional diagnosis. Remember that improper battery replacement can sometimes void your warranty, so consider a dealer to check if unsure or your car is still under warranty.